So welcome back, guys. If you're just tuning into the channel, we're here live with International J in beautiful Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. It is Labor Day, September 1st, 2025. I normally don't date all the videos, but I definitely wanted to give this one a timestamp because Labor Day weekend in the Caribbean is something else. If you have never experienced it, you definitely need to get to the Bahamas, Jamaica. My personal request is get to the Dominican Republic. It's beautiful out here. The weather is lovely. Currently about 11 a.m. As you can see, even though it's Labor Day weekend, it's still very busy. There's people everywhere. The air is clean and fresh. There's a nice breeze coming off the ocean. Currently, as you guys know with me, I'm back in search of an ATM. Well, and breakfast, brunch. But I wanted to take this time to definitely do some walking, give you guys some walking videos, let you guys see the Dominican Republic in its natural beauty and splendor. But I'm not gonna try to cross right here. All right, so as you can see, out here in the beautiful Dominican Republic, it's very busy for Labor Day. Don't hit me. Please nobody hit me. You didn't get across the street without dying. So, just like Thailand, crossing the street in the Dominican Republic, you're just playing with your life. I just want you to know. Say your prayers before you step out in traffic. Stay tuned. So here we are in beautiful Santo Domingo. Yesterday I gave you guys a tour of the Agora Mall here in Santo Domingo. Today we have made it over here to the Blue Mall. We're gonna see how this one goes. Actually looks very prestigious from the front. As you can see, we're down here somewhere in the colonial zone. Actually, no, we're not. I'll take that back. We're not in the colonial zone. But without further ado, we're gonna get in here, give you guys a tour of this Blue Mall, so you guys can make that choice for yourself. Which one is gonna be more official when you come out here? Trust me, I've been everywhere. I know how this goes. And here we are. First thing when you walk in, I can tell you this mall is much more elegant. And thank God it's much cooler too. It's hotter than a hooker's crotch outside. Sheesh. So now, your boy has got to find some sunglasses for the beach. I am not going to be at nobody's beach with no sunglasses. You know, we from Seattle. We can't see shit anyways. Oh, they got Nike So here we go. We are now going up to the second floor. I don't know if this mall has 3 floors like Agora Mall yesterday, but they also have a Rolex store. And I gotta find an ATM. So I'm gonna need some more money. This mall is very elegant, very colorful, nowhere near as crowded as Agora Mall yesterday. But then again, it was Saturday, so everybody and their mama was at the mall yesterday. But as you can see here, they have various kids' clothing stores. Violon, professional makeup. Yeah, I know a few females can do the stop by there, get some pointers. Well, guys, I'm gonna be breaking this video into portions because I got my driver coming to pick me up. We got like a few errands to run. Then we have to go pick up the rest of the AMG team. One member of the AMG team has just landed in Santo Domingo. Just got back from the States. And so Monty went to go pick him up. And my shopaholic self took that as an opportunity to go to the mall and spend some money unnecessarily. This is, however, the first mall that I have seen with the Nike store. Trying to give you guys a good tour of this mall as well. However, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I got a whole lot to do today, and I'm not gonna walk around this entire mall, but I do want to give you my honest opinion of Blue Mall here in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic, and it's good. I like it. Apparently this has 6 floors, and Gold's Gym is at the top. So you guys may actually get the complete tour if I can get this tour in 5 minutes. Okay, oh, here's the food court. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna tell you guys right now that Agora Mall is the mall. Blue Mall is cool. This is not gonna be where you wanna come shop. So I made it all the way up. Just wanted you guys to see what Blue Mall looks like here in Santo Domingo. So let me stop this right here. I'm gonna flip it around and give you guys an honest assessment of what I think.